Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to register for Bloomberg. First, navigate to the official Bloomberg website. Look for the Sign Up or Register button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will then be prompted to select your account type, whether it's for an individual user or an institutional subscription. Make sure to choose the option that best suits your needs before proceeding to the next step. Next, you will need to create your personal account profile. This involves entering essential information such as your full name and a valid email address, which will be used for verification. It is crucial to create a strong and unique password, ensuring it meets all the specified security criteria, often including a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Additionally, you might be asked to provide organizational or professional details, so have that information ready to input accurately. After submitting your details, the next critical step is account verification. You will typically receive an email from Bloomberg containing a verification link or a unique code. Open this email and either click the provided link or enter the code on the Bloomberg website to confirm your email address and activate your new account. This step is essential for security and to gain full access. Once verified, you can log in using your new credentials and start exploring the platform's vast resources. To make the most of your Bloomberg experience, take some time to familiarize yourself with the platform's interface and its powerful tools. Bloomberg offers extensive help resources and tutorials, which are invaluable for learning how to navigate and utilize its features effectively. Don't hesitate to explore the vast array of data, real-time news, and sophisticated analytics available. Engaging with these resources will help you maximize your understanding and leverage the platform to its fullest potential for your financial insights.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.